With Valentine's Day just around the corner, I thought I would show you how to make some special heart cake designs that will melt your sweetheart's heart. So stay till the end because I've got some awesome cake design tips and tricks coming your way. First things first, let us start with a classic, a heart-shaped vanilla cake. This cake flavor is really very simple. It is a vanilla cake with perfect whipped cream frosting. This design that we are making isn't just perfect for Valentine's Day, but it is a great idea to make this cake for birthdays, anniversaries, and any special occasion that celebrates love. Now let's complete our crumb coating and then cover the cake with perfect whipped cream frosting. Now for that perfect color on your whipped cream, here are 3 tips. First, use slightly lighter shade of the color for a subtle and elegant look. Watercolor effect generally looks really soothing, be it any occasion. Second, make sure your whipped cream is at the right consistency. That is the most important thing. Not too stiff, not too runny. And the third thing is that gently fold in the color to avoid any over mixing. Remember, if you try to add more color and if you keep on mixing it, your whipped cream might become runny. Now once you are done with that, now put the two colored cream, that is white whipped cream and red whipped cream, in the piping bag that is fitted with 1mm nozzle. Just like this. And then use this to create two-toned rosettes on the cake. It looks so lovely, isn't it? And there you have it, a beautifully decorated heart cake. It's really that simple, guys, and believe me, with practice you will be decorating cakes just like this in no time. Now let us add that extra customization. Here I am using this mirror. You will get it easily available in the market. You will get it in square shape, round shape and heart shape as well. You can decorate the mirror with whipped cream. You can do whipped cream flowers, buttercream flowers, or you can even use fondant for decorating this heart shaped mirror. And then simply arrange it on the cake using toothpicks or straws for support. Can you see? I'm just using whipped cream over here. For example, your mirror should completely look the part of your cake. That is the whole idea of decorating your mirror as well. Now use the straws for support. And remember, there should be double tape below the mirror as well. Only then it will stand tall and it will stay strong on your cake. Just like this. And it looks so beautiful, isn't it? Don't forget to add the rings on the top for that extra romantic touch. It looks beautiful, isn't it? And it is so strong as well. Now next cake is for our chocolate lovers. So all the chocolate lovers out there, here is another cake design, a decadent chocolate truffle cake. Please do check out my cake decoration playlist for the step-by-step guide on how to decorate it. Now let's decorate this chocolate cake with a big star nozzle. Just like this. It looks so beautiful and it gives that cafe style look to your cake. Don't forget to decorate at the bottom of the cake as well. It looks so amazing. Let's add another mirror which is decorated this time with red fondant. So did you see whether you use whipped cream, buttercream or fondant? The mirror design looks really cool. Just use a dab of water and the fondant will automatically stick to your mirror. See, this completely changes the entire look of the mirror and it looks as if it is actually part of your cake. This is standing mirror cake design that we are making. So just put a couple statue on the top of the cake and there you go, a stunning chocolate truffle cake perfect for any romantic occasion. With the mirror behind, it looks absolutely stunning. So there you have it, beautifully decorated cakes for any couple friendly occasion. So please do shower your love by typing love it in the chat box. Your support keeps me motivated to bring you more amazing cake decoration tutorials. And there you have it, guys, simple and easy cake designs that are perfect for Valentine's Day, birthdays, weddings, anniversaries, and more such couple friendly occasions. If you have enjoyed this video, do like and share it and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we post new content on our channel. Thanks for watching and happy baking.